This simple copy and paste method banks me up to $250 per day, all in less than 30 minutes per day. Newbie friendly and easy to set up. 100% free traffic. 100% beginner friendly. No experience needed. No product creation required. Works in any niche. No email list needed. Just copy and paste what we do. Get results quickly. Warning. Offer ends in. Get instant access now. Can you spare 30 minutes per day? To get a quick cash grab plus ongoing recurring income. Like we get every day. Chill Commissions is so simple, we get results in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Log into the Chill Commissions main training area. Step 2. Learn how you can get started with this simple copy and paste method and the simple steps to take this method and scaling it up to a job-destroying online results even in your spare time. Step 3. Start implementing the training, then chill back and watch those commissions roll in. Finally, a brand new, bulletproof way we pull in commissions daily, and it works even for newbies. That does not require no begging JV partners for sales. No huge marketing budget needed. No list or website required ever. No product creation, FB posts. No technical or sales skills needed. No more than 30 minutes per day. Dear struggling internet marketer. By now you must be sick of looking for ways to make money online, right? Are you tired of all the lies and crappy products that only fill up the product creators' pockets and leave you confused? The guys with the rented cars, fake houses, and Instagram models filling up their pools? Are frustrated with the fact no matter what you try nothing works and you feel as if you'll never escape your day job? You ready to say goodbye to that forever, today? If so, continue reading this page because I'm going to share with you exactly how my business partners Rehan and I put together a training program where anyone, yes, even you, can start having big days online, starting as soon as tomorrow, without any prior experience at all. Yes, even if you've failed at everything in the past. A newbie-friendly way to start earning without product creation, paid traffic, selling anything or even having an existing list. And after 6 months of development we finally cracked the code. Even if you've tried everything and haven't gotten it to work for you. I have to admit, I got a little excited. And I don't get excited by much. I got the text at around 10 p.m. while I was watching a football match during the weekend, New York. Ryan simply wrote, "You won't believe what I just stumbled upon." I ignored the text and figured I'd get back to him the next day. But he got all crazy ex-girlfriend on me and wouldn't stop calling me. So I stopped and moved to my computer and gave him a call on Skype. What he shared with me was unlike anything I've ever seen before. And I've seen a lot. Rehan outlined a process that anyone can use to make a few $100s per day online. Starting from scratch with absolutely zero experience. And yes, I've heard all of this before too many times just like you. But for me to take my mind off the match and focus 100% on what he was saying, it had to be huge. He talked to me about this very simple copy and paste method that he tried and the results were mind-blowing. It was simple that you can literally get started with zero budget and all free tools. Ways to build a list of buyers for free. 100% free traffic strategies. Strategies to use other people's pages and funnels. Pull in commissions for free. How to scale up this free copy and paste method into a full-time income online. And that wasn't even the good stuff. Everything he was talking about could be done by anyone because you didn't need a website, list, product, or technical experience. You didn't even need to sell anything to anyone, ever. We chatted for about an hour and we left it off where he'd send me over an outline of what he's got. Once I saw the outline, we both agreed that we had to have people who have failed in the past try this model. Having us succeed at it wasn't even close to being good enough. We needed self-admitted failures to succeed. Because we knew that if people who admit to themselves that their failures could do it, anyone can do it. Introducing Chill Commissions. Warning. Offer ends in. Get instant access now. Inside Chill Commissions, you'll get Module 1, Finding Content. In this module, you will learn where and how to ethically steal product content that highly targeted buyers are looking for. Module 2, Preparation. Here, you will learn how to edit this content and add your cash magnets to pull in buyer traffic easy. Module 3, Your Cash Machine. Here, you will learn how and where to put your content to drive highly qualified targeted traffic. This module comes with a complete DFY money page and email swipes so that you can start building your list and see your commissions rolling in. Module 4, Scaling Up. If that's not enough, we've included this module so as to show you how you can take this simple method and scale it to a full-time income online. The sky isn't the limit. Here's what you'll discover inside the Chill Commissions program. How you can get started today without an email list, product, service, or idea. Why starting out on free tools and methods is the ultimate way to scale from beginner to expert. Free traffic methods that ensure you never have to worry about traffic again. The foolproof way to build an online business model that costs nothing to do. The secret steps to take this method and scale it up to a job-destroying money machine. How to run this entire system and get results without spending more than 30 minutes at your computer. The secret steps to take this method and scale it up to a job-destroying money machine. Plus, get access to all sorts of new, insider tricks to making money that you have never seen before. This is the ultimate method for newbies and failures. And no, it doesn't just work for us. Hear what our students are saying. It's your turn to get in at a big discount. Why you need to get this right now. This process is real and is based on a very practical copy and paste model. It's not a hack or something that will be gone tomorrow. We'll teach you everything you need to know, plus you'll get a real-life case study of Rehan actually doing it right in front of your eyes. We are including our prospecting and closing scripts and emails. These are the exact scripts and emails that we use daily. This will be the last training you'll ever have to buy. There's no risk and no reason to wait. Get started with Chill Commissions today and we'll give you these bonuses for free. Bonus 1, Free Traffic Software, value, $1,997. We're giving you free access to our premium traffic software which will help you get hordes of traffic at zero cost. In addition, you'll also get access to our unlimited free traffic system, various traffic sources we use day in day out to generate even more traffic. Bonus 2 Hashtag, Bonus Products, value, $997. This includes a full collection of our best products, including some incredible methods, and powerful softwares. There's enough in here to keep your head racing with ideas on how to get to the next level. You'll love everything inside this free bundle. Bonus number 3, Guaranteed Affiliate Approval, value, Priceless. We'll ensure you're approved to promote this affiliate offer and all future offers. This will help you generate sales from day one. Bonus number 4, exclusive live web streams, priceless. These live sessions hosted by top super affiliates, give you next level super affiliate strategies to maximize your results with this training. You have no risk with our 30-day money-back guarantee. If for any reason you're not 100% satisfied, just let us know, and we'll get you a refund of your investment today. We're willing to take on all of the risk because we know this training and the case study will change your life and make you a lot of money. The only way you can lose is by not getting your hands on this right now. Get no risk access to the members area now by clicking the button below right now. Warning. Offer ends in. Get instant access now. Frequently asked questions. What is this chill commissions all about? This is a simple method that anyone can use to start seeing results with only 30 minutes of work per day. Do I need to create a product? No. You do not need to create a product or have a current product to use this system. Do I need any tech skills? No technical skills are required at all. Do I need any sales skills? You won't be selling anything at all to anyone. The content that you copy and paste does it all for you. I've failed in the past. Can I still do this? Yes, if you're willing to forget what you learned from the failures who taught you in the past. How are you different from everyone else? The reason why is because I actually do what I teach every day. I'm not a theory pusher. I really do this stuff daily. How soon will I see results? The truth is that we've seen people make money with this model in a few hours and we've seen people make nothing at all. Let me ask you this: how long will it take me to drive to Disney World? To answer that, you'd need to know where I'm coming from and how fast I'm willing to drive, right? Same thing applies here. The faster you drive our model, the faster you'll see results. Is there a guarantee? Yes. There is a full 30-day money-back guarantee. If you are unhappy with the training for any reason, simply submit a support ticket and we'll process your refund within 24 hours. All of our payments are processed through PayPal, so you are 100% protected by them. How do I get started? Look right below this line of text. There's a button. Click it and follow the instructions.